Let me quickly show you how this works. These are the sequential lights. You can use the app. You have a lot of options in the app. You can change it to blinking. You can change the speed. You can make it faster. You can change the color for the lights. Let's say blue, set. You can also change the intensity of the lights if you want them brighter or okay. And that's pretty much it. So first, let's do the wiring. In this case, we're gonna use a Traxxas TQI receiver. In the case of an Arrma Spectrum receiver, there's a big difference. In this case, the TQI comes with two channel 1 connectors. So in this case, we don't need a Y connector. In the case of the felony infraction or any Arrma vehicle, you're gonna need that Y connector. Don't worry, it comes in your kit. But in this case, we don't need it. So I'm gonna show you how to connect this in the TQI. So the process for the Arrma or any other RC is going to be the same. The only process you will have to add is connecting the channel 1 to the Y connector, and then the rest of the process is the same. So this is all that comes in the kit, plus this. And if you have the Felony, for example, it comes with a Y connector. So first we have, this is the signal wire that goes from the receiver to the brain. Let's say brain. So we have to connect these three to the channel 1, to one of the channel 1 of the TQI. It doesn't matter right now anything else, just connect it like this. Now we're gonna have 3 cables. It doesn't matter which color is which, you just have to follow these next steps I'm going to mention. So in the case of the TQI, the way the pins are arranged is signal, positive, and negative. So it's signal, positive, negative. In this case, we're going to use the positive, that is this one right here. This one. So this one's the positive and this one's the negative. We're going to connect these two to the brain like so. Positive is going to be the first pin and negative is going to be the second pin. Okay, so always use it this way. You're going to see that there is a port right there, so that must be your guide. Like this, pin 1, pin 2, positive, negative. Next, this other connector, which is the signal cable, signal wire, goes here. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7th pin goes to the signal wire. Let me just double check that I did it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there we go. That part is okay. Next, this is going to be the power that comes from here to the lights, but we're going to use this one since we're going to connect 2 lights. We're going to need this power distribution block. First, connect these 2 cables here. It doesn't matter which direction you connect it. And then we connect these 2. Now let's count from the bottom. 1, 2, 3. The 2 and the 3 go to this cable. Okay. Next, the lights. You will see that you have, it's marked right there. Let me see if it can focus. It's kind of hard. It has positive, signal, negative. Okay, 5. The one that says plus, that's the positive. The one in the middle is the signal wire, and the last one is the GND, which is the negative. Okay, so in this case we follow the colors that are purple, gray, white. So purple is positive according to this, purple positive, and the other one, the white one, is negative. Okay, so in that case we have to connect now this to this board. Okay, we said that it doesn't matter how we connect this, but now we have to follow these steps. The number, you see, we have 1 and 2. Okay, the number 1 is the negative, so in this case the red one is going to be the negative. Right here we have the red one there, so all these pins are going to be negative and all those pins are going to be positive. Okay, now knowing that, we already said that this one is negative and this one is positive. So purple, positive, we're going to connect it to the positive line like so, and the other one, which is the white one, the white one is negative, we connect it to the other pin like so. This part is important because if you connect it backwards, you burn the lights. And then we have the signal. We're not going to do anything with that one yet. We repeat the same process with the other light again. In this case we have positive, yellow, negative, that's blue, I think. Okay, so positive, yellow, we connect the positive here, and the blue one, which is the negative, to the other one. And last step, we just have to connect the two signal wires. Where are those? Right on the opposite side. It will be the 1, 2, 3, the 2 and the 3. You connect the 2 and the 3 right there, and there you go. You have all the connections made. There we go. Now we are going to turn the car on and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, let me just put the lights right inside the buckets right here. These are for the Felony. Depending on the kit you purchased, you will have different buckets or no buckets at all. So let's turn the car on. Let me turn. I should have turned the receiver, the transmitter first. Okay, now we turn there, you have that, and there we have the other one. Now, the great part is that we have an app for this. You can use this app. Let me show you right here. We open this up. It will try to connect automatically. You tap that button right there, and it's going to try to connect. You say connect. Just put this here. Okay, here we go. We have the app right here. It's very straightforward. You can, if you don't have the lights connected, you can also connect this to your car and just use it without the lights. Here you can see, let me just zoom this right there so you can see this better. This is the advanced part. Let me put it like so. It will tell you the signal. So if I turn right, you see there the lights are blinking. If I turn left, there you go. And here you have all the advanced features that you can use if you know what you're doing. Here you have a couple of modes. This is blink mode and then sequential mode. Let me see what it does. That's sequential. You can increase the speed. Let me show you right here the speed. The other one, okay, that's the speed. If you say blink, it will blink when you turn the lights. So the sequential can go slower, okay, or faster. Once you have the everything set up, you can put save and never use the phone again. What else? Oh, this is an awesome feature. Look, you can see there the lights are not red. Let me turn the lights off. Well, I have some lights here. Okay, the lights are like amber. Okay, so here you can select the color for the lights. Okay, that's blue, set, and there you go, it's blue. You can select the lights, I don't know, yellow, set, and there you go, yellow. For some reason it's amber by default, and there you go, you have the red ones. But again, since we have red lenses, it doesn't matter in this case. So that's pretty much it. If you say blink again, it will blink. The lights are pretty bright. The thing is that we have too much light here in the studio, but that's pretty much it. I hope you like it.